Hey, I am falling back for the end of daylight saving time. I already set my watch back. Now I'm going to set my clock radio back. And actually I think that's it for the clocks I have to set back because my laptop will reset itself with the help of the internet. So, that's it for this video.
Time's changing, folks. Change the clock.
It's the Arby's clock.
It's 20 seconds. No, 20 seconds.
I count 35 of them.
We're just gonna this clock is correct.
Oh, okay.
And then we'll make sure it's correct when we change it. So, time to change it. Don't forget, or you're gonna wake up early for work, and that would suck.
Well, at least it's early. You're not late. You're moving it the wrong way.
I'm excited. I'm going all the way around. I think that's the best way to do it.
Oh, okay. But you can turn it the other way, right?
Yeah, I think so. I'm trying to turn it the other way, and I think the manual says to go all the way.
All right.
So either way, the point is,
Coming up on.
it was going to be two, but now it's actually, and it took me long enough too, so that now it's right. It's one again.
Hooray!
All right. You get a whole extra hour today.
Yay! At 1 a.m. I think they should make it in the afternoon.
I know. Okay.
You're now on Central Standard Time.
I'm trying to get back.
Or Central Daylight Time. You switched to the Central Time Zone for 1 hour.